Yun, what's up mga boss? Today, mainit ngayon. Same as kahapon. 84 Fahrenheit ngayon dito sa Norwalk. So, mainit na yun dito. Super init na. Kahapon, nag martial arts sa mga bata. Today, ang kanilang activity is swimming day. So, ipatry natin silang mag-swimming class ngayon. Tingnan natin kung magustuhan nila. Kapag nagustuhan, tingnan natin, baka ituloy-tuloy natin. Pero depende pa sa trip ng mga bata. Kasi mahabang holiday nila ngayon, 1 week. So, sigapin natin na every day may activity sila para hindi na sila ma-bored sa bahay. As usual, si Mrs. hindi na naman kasama kasi yun, duty na naman, kawawa naman nun. Pero ganyan talagang life dito sa Amerika. You need to work kasi pag hindi ka hard work dito, wala, mauubos ang mo, pera mo sa mga bills, insurance, yun, taxes, ang dami. Kaya akala ng mga tao dyan pag naka-Amerika na marami ng pera, which is break even lang. So you need to do double shift para lang meron kang extra money. Kasi yung salary niya na na 36 hours per week, sakto-sakto lang sa sa expenses lahat, mortgage, groceries, insurances. Ang dami insurances. Lalo pa kayo na hindi ako kasama dun sa sa health insurance ni Mrs. So malaki yung health insurance ko. Imagine 800 yata, 800 or 900 per month ang aking health insurance. Masakit sa bulsa. Kaya mas maganda kung ma-employed na ako, at least medyo bababa yung health insurance covered ng hospital. Sana. Malapit lang dito sa amin yung swimming school. Actually, nakapunta na kami dati last time yung may birthday kasi yung classmate ni Gavin, si Skyly Gavin, no? So, yung may birthday sa sa Goldfish swimming yun. So, nakapunta na kami doon. Try namin doon kung maganda yung kanilang maganda sila mag-teach ng bata. Ang lang 5 minutes away sa bahay. At least maganda, kahit mainit siya, okay lang kasi at least nakaka-short ako. Naka-short ako ngayon, naka-short pants. So, feels like summer na talaga. Ito na pala. Dito na kami, ang bilis, no? Good afternoon. We have a schedule for swimming class. Marks, Gavin, and
What's the phone number, Dave?
What?
What's the phone number in the account?
Wait. Phone number 203-57.
So they're both going to be in lane 5.
Lane 5.
Yes, your class started at 4.
They already started, or?
Yes, because class starts at 4 and ends at 4:30.
So we can still
No, but
join?
you guys can still go. I'm gonna show you around and then.
Okay.
So you guys, these are our changing rooms. You guys can change in here.
Okay.
We have dryers around here. All our bathrooms are over there.
Okay.
And then these are our furniture clothes and then we have these against the wall over there. For just like extra things that you may have. You'll sit your kids here, and then lane 5 is going to be right there. So that's our lane 5.
Lane 5, this one. So we can still join?
Yeah, but you just change it everything and then
Remove your pants. Let's go. Yeah, go na. Doon na, pasok. Ayun. Gavin.
Let's go, bro. Sit down.
Welcome to Goldfish. Magkano ba ang rate magpa-enroll sa mga swimming class? It depends sa swimming school syempre. Pero sa Goldfish, they offer a various packages or per lesson. First, as young as 4 months old to 6 years old, you can enroll your kids lang sa kanila. Pero silang group lesson, it costs $35 per lesson. 4:1 na din siya, 4 student to 1 teacher, or 6:1 sa mga baby class. And then they also offer independent baby ages 24 months to 35 months, 3:1 naman. Next, if you want medyo semi-private, they also offer semi-private packages, $70 per lesson, 2:1 naman. And then if you want naman na makafocus sa you can avail their private lesson, 1:1. It costs $105 per lesson. If you are competing competition, they offer swim force, ibang style naman ng pagtiteach nila doon. It can cost $43.75 per lesson. You can also spend parties to them. It costs $650. You can enjoy 2 hours private party for up to 24 guests. And if you want to start your kids clinics, they also offer Jumpstart clinics. It costs $175 per clinic for 30 minutes lesson for consecutive 4 to 5 days. Sorry na. So naman, na-enjoy mo Gavin? Why? So hindi ka na mag-swimming lesson? Anong gusto mong swimming lesson or martial arts? Yung gusto mo yun? Ikaw kuya? Anong gusto mo? Ayaw mo ng swimming? Mas importante ang swimming. Tapos na sila nag-swimming. More or less 30 to 45 minutes ang swimming lesson dito. And then yun, ayaw nila or kaya bakit ayaw nyo Gavin mag-swimming lesson? Ay, hindi niya daw ma-hold ang breath niya. Kaya gani they will teach how to hold your breath Gavin. Remember, it is your first time, Gavin. Normal lang siya na na mahirapan ka. So, what do you want? Swimming or ano? So, you want to continue martial arts? Ayun, problema na pala niya. Hindi siya, mahirapan pala siya mag-hold ng kanyang hininga, ng kanyang hininga. Uwi na tayo diretso ngayon kasi magluto pa ako ng aming dinner. Anong oras na bang yun? Mag 5 o'clock na kasi. So mamaya magising na yun si Mrs. mga 6 o'clock. So dapat pagising na meron na siyang food to eat. Dinner. Eat tayo ng rice.